This is planet Earth. As we know, we're supposed to protect it, keep it clean and healthy. But why exactly are we supposed to do that? First of all, a clean environment is essential for healthy living. If you don't care about the environment, chances are it will become polluted. It will be polluted with chemicals and toxins which may harmfully affect your health. According to the US EPA, outdoor pollution is associated with heart attack, asthma attacks, bronchitis, premature mortality, and our indoor environment is 2 to 5 times more toxic than our outdoor environment. Also, according to the CDC, water pollution can lead to illnesses, reproductive problems, and disorders. Although we have treatment systems and other things to combat these issues, you never know what faults may occur. Air sustains us and water is basically necessary, so we should do what we can to prevent pollution. On top of that, the overall temperature of Earth's atmosphere is increasing. Yes, small changes in the average temperature can lead to frequent occurrences of dangerous weather patterns and devastating storms. Yes, global warming and climate change are real. And guess what else? Us humans are largely responsible for them because our activities have caused a continual increase in the greenhouse gas concentrations. According to the EPA, the change in the greenhouse gas concentrations causes global warming and affects the climate, causing climate change. Climate change may affect human health, agriculture, water resources, forests, wildlife, and coastal areas. President Barack Obama, the 44th U.S. President, once said, "For the sake of our children and our future, we must do what we can to combat climate change." Yes, it's true that no single event makes a trend, but the fact is, the 12 hottest years on record have all come in the last 15. Heat waves, droughts, wildfires, and floods are now more frequent and intense. We can choose to believe that Superstorm Sandy and the most severe drought in decades and the worst wildfires in some states have ever seen were just a freak coincidence. Or we can choose to believe in the overwhelming judgment of science and act before it's too late. Biodiversity is important. Biodiversity refers to the variety of plants, animals, and other living things around the world. According to the EPA, it can be negatively influenced by natural forces and human activities. We may have many of the basic necessities that we need to survive because of biodiversity: food, water, and shelter and air. They are natural processes that can be formed by various species to provide or affect these necessities. If something happens to a certain organism, an unwanted chain reaction may occur. That may lead to the loss of biodiversity, which negatively affects our necessities. The greater the diversity of life, the greater the opportunity for discoveries that could make our world a much better place. Let's do what we can to prevent the loss of the biodiversity. Not only all of these facts, but it's a reflection of your character. One of my life mottos is, do unto others as you want them to do to you. Nature gives us so many things for free. It gives us clean air, clean water, beautiful landscapes, breathtaking views, and the list goes on. We take so much from nature, but what do we give in return? Pollution? The least we could do is show our appreciation by protecting and preserving our environment. Earth is our home. Earth is where we live. Earth is what we are. So, unless you have another way for us to get to a different planet, we better take care of it. There's many ways we can fix pollution. Some of the most popular is by conserving energy by turning off lights and water when leaving homes. Use efficient light bulbs. Limit driving by carpooling or busing or biking. Be careful when pumping gas to not spill any anywhere. Run washing machines and dishwashers when they're full. Try to take less trips to preserve gas. Throw away your trash and recycle your recyclables. And of course, never litter.